So tomorrow I leave for a 45-day backpacking trip through Europe during the winter. So I thought that I would make a video to kind of show you what all I'm packing. I'm only taking this backpack with me for the full 45 days. It is an Osprey backpack. It's super awesome. My friend let me borrow it. She actually used this backpack to backpack through Asia for 4 months. So now she's letting me use it for my Euro trip. So anyways, I decided to make this video because I couldn't really find a whole lot of YouTube videos on backpacking through Europe in the winter time. And so I thought I'd make this for you. So let's get started. Okay, so I'll start with the backpack. This is the Osprey Farpoint. It's a 55 milliliter bag. I am going to try to take it as a carry-on and a personal item because it does have this cool little day bag that unzips here. It's a really awesome backpack. It unzips like a suitcase, so you can open it up just like that. And it's got a lot of room in here. So we have 2 pockets here, and we've got the full bag, and then the day pack. And the day pack just unzips like this. And now you've got your little day pack backpack. And this thing's really cool too. It has 2 front pockets, so you could stick water bottles and stuff in there. And then it has full bag here. So it's got this pocket, it's got another little mesh pocket here, and then a spot to stick like a laptop or a tablet, etc. It also has this front pocket, so lots of pockets. It's really nice. So that's the day bag. The other cool thing about this bag is the back is super comfortable, but a lot of support as well, and very breathable. It's got the straps as well, and then you can also fold all this up, and this comes up over everything. You can zip it up. And if this was all zipped up, let me zip this up here. With everything all zipped up, you can now carry it like a suitcase. So you can zip everything up, carry it like a suitcase, or carry it like a backpack as well. Okay, so this is everything that I'm bringing with me on my trip in my backpack for the full 45 days. So I'll kind of start with my shoes over here. I just got these shoes from UGG, and they're a really cool boot. I wanted something that was super comfortable and warm and had a lot of grip and support, but also kind of stylish since I am going to Europe, and I really am only wearing 1 pair of shoes. So I got these from UGG. They were a little pricey. They're about 175 bucks, but they do have everything I want. So they've got the good grip, they are waterproof, they have this kind of wool lining inside. They're super comfortable. I've been wearing them for the past week to kind of break them in, and I just love them. I think they're really cute, and they're going to serve me well. The only other pair of shoes I'm bringing on my trip are these flip-flops, primarily because I'll be staying in hostels, and I definitely don't want to go into the showers without these. Also, if I go to a spa, they'll be really nice, hot tubbing, etc. So these are the only 2 pairs of shoes I'm bringing. For sweaters, I have just a black regular sweater, kind of a blue-gray sweater. This one's super comfy and warm. I really can't bring much to wear on top because sweaters are bulky. So I really only have these 2 sweaters. And then I have just another kind of long sleeve free dry shirt from Eddie Bauer. This one I'm bringing with me because it is super light and super thin, but it will keep me warm. I can wear underlayers, or if it's a nicer day, I can just wear this. Then I have my 2 thermal tops. This one, they're both from Under Armour. This one's the infrared, so this one's really comfy. And my thought is I can just wear these as tops as well because they are they're still stylish, and I'm mainly going to be wearing my jacket over everything, so I could just wear this as a top. This one's also from Under Armour. This one's a little bit more tight and comes up a little bit further, so if it's super cold, I can put this one on as well. And I can also wear these under my sweaters. So to just be extra warm, I have these here. Then for pants, I'm bringing one pair of blue jeans, one pair of black jeans, and then I have my thermal bottoms. So these are really just like long underwear. So this is only to wear under my jeans. They're super light, super thin, so they'll be easy to wear underneath my black or blue jeans. These are, and this was from Eddie Bauer. These are from Under Armour, and these are more like leggings. They are still thermals, and they're the infrared, so they'll keep me super warm, and they do fit under my jeans, but I could just wear them as leggings as well. So I have those for pants, and I'll go over here to show you. I have one pair of PJs, so my Namaste in bed, and then my pants, my sweats that I got from the Butter Boutique. I really actually live in these when I'm at home, so these are going to be kind of like my loungy clothes. They're my lifesavers. I'm bringing one sweater, or I'm sorry, one scarf. I figured I could also buy another scarf once I get over there if I want one more. This one's nice. It's a little bit bigger, a little bit longer, and super comfy. So I just wanted to have one to bring over there. Then I have my socks. I'm bringing 4 pairs of socks, Smart Wool. These are both Smart Wool. This is kind of my big bulky pair, and these are all kind of more thin pairs. These are not Smart Wool, but they are still about 40% wool because I am going to be walking around in the winter time and it might be snowy. So these are my 4 pairs of socks that I'm bringing. I have a swimsuit in case I do go to a spa or hot tub. I'm bringing 2 bras, one strapless, and I have one more that I will bring with me, just a regular bra. 6 pairs of underwear. I have one hat to keep me warm. This is just from Forever 21, so it's kind of a cheapo hat, but it's super cute and it's still warm, so that's my one hat. And then I have a good pair of thermal gloves. So these are from Eddie Bauer, also the infrared, and gonna keep me very warm. They do also have the little things on the fingers so that I can use my phone while I'm wearing them. All right, and then my jacket, I decided to go with a parka. This is kind of in between a big warm winter jacket and a packable lighter jacket. So I decided to go with this one because it is a little bit more stylish, but it's water resistant. It's down, so I really just can't be in pouring rain. It will get a little bit damp if I do stand in pouring rain or snow, but for the most part this will keep me really dry. It's got a nice fluffy hood and it's super warm. I've also been wearing it for the last few days and I love it. It is still kind of packable, so if I needed to throw it in my bag I could stuff it in there, but it's just a great jacket. I'm excited to wear that. Okay. Now for kind of toiletries and makeup, I am putting all my makeup in this top pack here, just bringing pretty much the bare essentials. I don't have it packed in here right now, but that's where my makeup will go. I've got some other essentials like dry shampoo, deodorant. I have a packable toothbrush, earplugs, a little brush, my diamond oil, which saves me. I love this stuff from Revlon, and then some hair ties. I've got my shampoo and conditioner. These are packable body wash sheets. I'm also going to bring a regular body wash and a razor. And then all of my other toiletries are in here. So, of course, some tampons. I've got some more toothpaste, another razor that is a waterless razor. I don't know if I'm going to need this, but I'm bringing it anyways. I have some travel Febreze. I've got some travel toilet paper and more earplugs just in case I lose those other ones, which is not just in case, I'll definitely lose them. Then I have a Tide to Go mini. This is for stains. I have face wash, some foot cream because it is going to be super dry. All right, and then I have some laundry packets to do my laundry in the sink if I need to. These are about 3 packets each, so I've got a few. Then I have just a face mask that I love, bringing just one with me, and then some face wipes, some makeup wipes. Those are all my toiletries. I do have a first aid kit in here with all the essentials. I also have some hand sanitizer, some cough drops in case I get sick, and some Kleenex. Some wet wipes, regular wet wipes. This is my converter and adapter. It's super bulky and heavy, but definitely necessary. We'll see if it blows out, hopefully not. I have a travel clothesline so that I can stick this up when I'm staying in a hostel and just kind of dry my clothes out that way, so I don't have to use a dryer if they don't have one or I don't want to pay for it. I've got a money bag. Not sure if I'm going to use this a whole lot, but I wanted to bring it just in case. The other thing that I have is this this bag, which is a crossbody bag. It's a scan safe bag so that people can't steal my credit card information and stuff like that when I have it in here. I do have a couple battery packs. This is an extra battery pack for my phone and another portable charger I have in the main pack here. So I'm bringing 2 with me. Of course, I have my passport, my phone, an eye mask, a poncho. I've got an extra kind of bag in here if I need it. If something gets wet and I need to keep it separate, I have that bag. Some Ziploc bags and laundry bags, mesh, so that my laundry can air dry. I have a quick dry towel. I got the large. This is from REI. So I got the large because I figured if I was going to get a quick dry towel, I wanted it to be one that I could use and actually use on my body. So I got the large. And then I have kind of a fork, a spoon, and a knife all in one, just in case. I am bringing my bladder from my hiking backpack just to have kind of a flexible water bottle to bring with me to fill up with tap water. I did print out all of my bookings and important documents like my passport and cards and everything that I'm going to keep in a separate bag locked up. I did buy a couple locks. There's one here. I got another cable lock so that I can secure my bag when I'm walking around so no one can take stuff out. And I just have a few packing cubes to put everything into. But other than that, that is everything that I'm taking. Other than my camera, and I did forget my tablet that I will be bringing with me. But yeah, that's it. So all of this fits in the backpack. I am going to fit it in there now. So here we go. And there you go. All I have left is my phone, this lock that I need to take out of here that'll go on my bag, my jacket, and my shoes, which I will be wearing pretty much the whole time. My day pack, definitely full because I put all of my accessories in here, all of my toiletries, so this is pretty full. But my main bag still has a lot of room left over. So all of this, I've got quite a bit of room up here. I do still have to put my camera in here, which that will go in this bag. It will fit. I already checked it. But I still have some room to put some more stuff in here. So it all fits and I'm ready to go. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please follow me on my journey. I would love for you to come with me. I am going to be posting about my trip throughout my trip when I'm able to upload videos and post to my blog. So Wild and Free Bree on Instagram, and then wildandfreebree.com is where my blog is going to be at. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you come with me on my journey. Bye.